What's going on, y'all? We got a video for you today all about gardening. You ready?
Yes.
All right. So we're gonna make a garden. We're gonna take y'all along for the ride. It's gonna be our Live Savage experiment with the homesteading operation. And we went to Tractor Supply the other day. We YouTubed some planter box builds, so we're gonna build that next weekend probably. But we picked up some seeds and all that good stuff at Tractor Supply Co. So we're gonna show you what we got. So, start with these two.
We've got a blackberry and a raspberry. I love berries. We have not introduced berries to Rigel yet. We'll probably do that after he is a year old just because they are pretty sweet. But we have those two. I would much rather have my own than continually buy them from the store.
Yes, and all of these are like color coded, like they have, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's got like your location and when to plant outdoors in the spring when the soil is workable. So in Arkansas, where we're located, it's going to be February to May. So we need to plant these sooner rather than later.
Yeah.
Dig a hole, I've been dealing with a cough lately. Dig a hole large enough to encompass the roots without bending or circling. Yada, yada, yada. So that's one thing we got.
I'm excited to put these in for sure.
What's in the bag there?
So over in the bag here, we have, there's an area of our yard that, it's got a tree in it, but it's got a rock. What do you call that? Garden? Planter garden?
Oh, yeah, a little rock garden area.
Yeah, and I thought about taking it out, but I think we kind of like it, so I have to weed that whole area, and then I'm going to plant these wildflowers there. And then my mom also sent us some flowers, so I might do a mixture of like those and these, or I might try to put these in a pot. I'm not really sure, but they're super pretty. So we're gonna do a bunch of just wildflowers. So, and then, do you want to do the seeds?
We'll do these and the seeds.
Okay.
All right. So we got two of these. This is pretty cool. So it's a 72 cell self-watering seed starting system.
Okay, as cool as this is, I probably won't do this in the years coming up. I would like to do like my own, like more of like using old things like egg cartons and things like that, but it's pretty cool for this year.
Shout out to Joe Dares for the knife, by the way. Thanks, bro. Sharp as a gizzard. Alright, so the way this works, from what I gather, is you have this directions, and there's like all these little bitty dirt things in here. Can you get your little fingers in there? So like a little bitty pod. And all you have to do is slowly add warm water to expand pellets. Soak for a few minutes, then loosen soil evenly in each cell.
You're gonna wanna like make a little tiny hole in the middle.
Plant seeds as recommended on packet. Add water to the watering tray if needed. Cover the clear greenhouse dome. Remove dome after seeds have germinated. And then when the timing is right, harden off your seedlings and transplant outdoors.
Yep.
So we have this layer.
Yeah.
Wait.
You have this layer.
So what's the self-watering part? You just fill that part with water?
Yeah, the water tray.
That's this piece here.
Yeah. I think this is just the cover.
So those go right there. No, that's the greenhouse part.
Yeah, the cover.
Yeah. So what are these things then? Is it just nothing?
I think those were just so that like things didn't get attacked.
Okay.
That's
So
what
then we
I
put the cover. Let me see the cover. And put the cover on there, and then boom, you're good to go. Believe that's all she wrote. So we're gonna do that tonight.
Oh no, you have to put those things in there. Right?
I guess so.
Oh, I see. Okay, it's so that they're not sitting directly in the water. So you would go like this, right? I don't know. Does that make sense?
Can you
Okay.
put the water on top of this?
So there's a cover, and then there's these, and then there's the black thing, this thing,
That goes on top.
with the tray.
We have clearly never done this before.
Yeah. But then it looks like it goes like.
Yeah, wait, that makes total sense. Okay, so here you go. You have to fold the
and it has
ends
a paper
down.
to let you know how to do all the things.
You have to take this out. Alright, so you have to fold the ends down. And what that does is the water
You gonna put this in there?
comes up. Yeah. Since the ends are folded down, it's going to just soak up the water and transmit that throughout the whole thing.
Rigel would like to be a part of the video.
So that's how that works, to my knowledge.
That makes sense.
Boom. Alright, so that's what we got with the seed starting kit thing. Now do you want to show them the seeds that we got?
Okay. So, you gonna hold them while you show them the seeds?
Sure.
I think it just sits on top. All right. So, we really wanted to focus on trying to do things that, like, we don't eat a lot of just straight up vegetables, but we do use like pasta sauce on like our pizza. We use a lot of salsa and things like that. I would like to like pickle and can things as well. So we tried to gather things that would be helpful for that. So we have some jalapenos. We also got some habanero peppers. And we have onions, Walla Walla onions. We have some cauliflower, some celery. I didn't think we ate a lot of celery, but Robert apparently thinks we do.
I like celery and peanut butter.
We have cucumbers, which I'm hoping to pickle these and make pickles out of. Zucchini, and then we have some more onions, but these are like the white onions. We have some basil, we have some sweet peppers, like just bell peppers, and then we have some cilantro and some rosemary, and then we have a couple of things of tomatoes. My mom is also a total sweetheart and sent us some of her seeds. So we have some more bell peppers, tomatoes, basil, cabbage, which we were really sad that we didn't pick any up because I wanted to make sauerkraut. So cabbage, onion, and stevia leaves, which I'm really excited about this one. So that's all we got.
So now we're going to put hot water, warm water, in these little dirt pod things and show y'all how they expand. And we're going to put our seeds in there. So let's do that now.
We have two of those too.
We have two of those too.
Yeah.
So here we
The
go.
water. You think it'll pour okay out of this thing, or should I transfer it to a? Think that's warm? No. And it is warm. It doesn't have to be hot water.
Yeah, let me get this going here.
Should I take it off while we like mix them up and everything? So it doesn't get all over everything? Oh, actually, it might.
You're good.
I don't know how much water to put in each one. Okay, this is a hot mess.
Expanded. Look at that.
Yep. Watch so.
What you got?
We have two missing ones. That makes me sad. Ripped us off.
Ripped us off.
Stinkers. Okay. Pro tip, because obviously I'm a pro now. If you use these little starter things, Rigel's really upset. Oh my gosh, I can't get it out. If you use these little starter things, make sure that they're
We're making a mess over here.
Did you? So, you see how these are all upright? You want to make sure that they're upright and not laying down flat when you start that, or when you put the water in, because it is a lot harder to do it when it's the other way. So,
Alright, mine is all planted. Got my seeds in there according to the rows that I planted them in. Crystal is planting hers right now. You think any of these are going to germinate and grow?
I have no idea.
No idea.
I really hope so. I mean, like, if we could just get one of them to work, then I would be so happy.
And then we're going to put these in the office with the window open. And then we're also going to put this light, which Chip let us borrow, over top of them. So excited to see if that's going to be the right conditions for growing these bad boys. Anything else for the vlog, babe?
I don't think so. I'm just so excited. It doesn't look like it, right? But I'm so excited right now.
That's a wrap on the part 1 of this garden series.
We'll show you guys more when we transplant them into, well, no, when we build our garden beds.
Yes, next weekend.
Next weekend.
Boom.